9 times out of 10, Mar Fajardo would easily make a basket from 5 feet. It's just unfortunate for San Miguel Beer that the rarest of times Fajardo would miss from close range came on Sunday night in an all-important game against rival Meralco. Trailing 102-101, the Beermen had a chance to take the lead inside the final 10 seconds and they wisely went to the reigning 3-time PBA MVP to bail them out. Fajardo shot over Bolts import Allen Durham, but his floater came up short as it hit the front rim. "It was my fault.It was a good look, and I missed that final shot.We should have won," said a frustrated Fajardo in Filipino after the Beermen's 104-101 defeat. The loss didn't just cause San Miguel the game, but also a seed in the top 4 as they wound up in 6th place heading into the quarterfinals. The Cebuano giant went hard on himself despite posting a team-best 26 points, 8 rebounds, and 3 blocks. "I won't be able to sleep tonight. I'm really sorry, and I promise to bounce back," he said. San Miguel will now have to beat defending champion Barangay Ginebra twice in the quarterfinals for its Grand Slam bid to go on. A win by the Gin Kings on Wednesday would send the Beermen into an early exit. We are still not out. "We still have a chance to win. We just have to stay positive. Our will is still strong, and we'll take this one game at a time, even though we have to go through the eye of the needle," he said.